Hello, welcome everyone once again to Thinkally tutorial series. Thinkally is Nigeria's largest school management software, and in this very tutorial 16, I'm going to be showing you how to add grades. Or just from the last tutorial, which was tutorial 15, we had started showing you how to add your examination scores, the examination. The last tutorial I showed you how to add examination term. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create, edit, and delete examination grades. You know what grades are? Let's jump right in. Okay, Galaxy is a school, it's a demo school I'm using. Of course, you should have your own Thinkally username and password for your school. If you do not have it, let us know. You can drop your comment in the comment box right below. Of course, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then also you could send an email to info@thinkally.net. So I'm logging in, showing you how to add grades, how to create, edit, and delete examination grades. So where do I head on to? Of course, right here. Right here. Okay. So that's it. I click on exam. I click on grade. Okay. Now, one very useful information you would want to know is that before you add grades to the system, you should have them on paper. So plan your grades on paper. You should know the lower limits and higher limits of each grade. So now you already have some here. Can you see it? I don't know how we're going to do it now, but let me try and delete some of them. Let me delete some of them, so it will allow us to add other ones. So of course, that's how to delete. You see that button, that delete button. I want to delete some of the ones we have there, so I will show you how to add yours. I don't want any of the grade intervals to overlap. That's why I'm deleting what I already have there. Okay, I'm done. I've deleted all I have there. So you know where I go to now? I head on to this way, this place. Add a grade. So I click on add a grade. So you have this grade name. Let me call this grade name A plus. Let's start with the lower one. Let's start with E. E should be between, let's start with F, because some people will fail. Grade point is not compulsory, it's optional. Your mark should be from, okay, F is from 0 to 39. This note here should be the remark, so that should be fail. That is it. You see what I was saying when I said you should write them on paper, try and plan it on paper so you don't make mistakes. Of course, you are not supposed to allow, you're not to allow the grades to overlap. Followed by E, grade point, that's optional. Mark should be from 41 to say 44. Don't mind me, you should do yours, and that should be maybe week. Then you could have another one from 45. Sorry, you call that D. Maybe from 45 to 49. Isn't that okay? From 45 to 49. I call that pass. So then I quickly have another one from, okay, I call that one C. It's getting better. From 50 to 59. Yes, and that should be credit. Okay, then I've got 2 more to go. The next one could be B, from 60 to 69, and then the note or remark should be very good. Okay, then I'm gonna have another one from, I call that one A. That should be from 70 to 84. 70 to 84, I call that one excellent. From 70 to 84, that should be called excellent. And then the last one, which is the highest grade you can have in my examination, I call that A plus. That may be from 85 to 100. 100 is the highest mark obtainable. I call that distinction. So my distinction is defined. So as you can see, that all of the grades that I want represented on the children on the student's report sheet are represented. How do I know? How do I see the effect of what I just did? Let me head on quickly to the report sheet. One of the report sheets and terminal report on this portal. It is called terminal report. Now you see the distribution I just created, how it has taken effect. The exam should be called second term exam. That's the one we already have as demo. Select class, select that. I want for the whole class, so I will not select a specific student. We're going to come back to that later, how to, so you can see. Great. For these subjects that already have scores uploaded for them, you see that for this total of 62, the grade is B. Yeah, B was defined by us the other time as between 60 and 69. So you see, 77 is A, that's 69, or A was defined as between 70 to 75, and then the list goes on. You see, those who have none have F. Okay, great. So wonderful tutorial we have here. So in this tutorial I just showed you how to add grades, how to create, edit and delete grades, and I also showed you how it is going to take effect on the children's terminal report or report card. So in the very next tutorial I'm going to be showing you, what am I going to be showing you? Let me check. I'm going to be showing you how to add exam attendance. Do I need to? That one happens pretty much the same thing as the student attendance. So I'm not going to take you through, maybe much later, but I want to show you how to upload scores, how to upload marks, exam scores, and how to, let's begin actually from how to create, edit and delete mark distribution. You know what mark distributions are here: test, assignment, exam, and all of that. You can have as many as possible. In the previous version of Thinkally, you are restricted to just test and exam, but in this new version of Thinkally, you can create as many mark distributions as possible. Let me see you at the next tutorial. Many thanks for joining me. Thank you.